If you've come across walmartxesq.com, you're probably wondering one thing. Is it legit, or is it just another scam website? I took a closer look at the site, and here's what I found. The first thing that stood out was the domain itself. walmartxesq.com is not the official Walmart website. It's simply a subdomain under Zisku.com. That alone should make you cautious. Anyone can create subdomains under their own domain, and they are not automatically connected to the real Walmart. Another concern is the age of the domain. Reports show that Zisku.com is relatively new, and Walmart.Zisku.com has a low trust score on several website reputation checkers. The domain also has a short registration period and very little public information about who owns or operates it. Those are common warning signs when evaluating unfamiliar websites. I also couldn't find any official confirmation from Walmart that this subdomain belongs to them. That's important because scammers often use well-known brand names and URLs to make fake websites look trustworthy. If the site promises huge discounts, free gift cards, or asks you to log in with sensitive information, don't rush. Always verify that you're on Walmart's official website before entering personal details or making a purchase. So, is walmartxesq.com legit? Based on everything I found, I wouldn't trust it. There are simply too many red flags. A low trust score, a recently created domain, no clear ownership information, and no evidence that it's officially connected to Walmart. My recommendation is simple. Avoid entering your payment details or personal information on this website until its legitimacy can be independently verified. If you actually want to shop with Walmart, always use the official Walmart website or the official Walmart app. That's the safest way to avoid phishing sites and fake stores. I hope this review helped you out. If you've already used walmartxesq.com, let everyone know about your experience in the comments. It could help someone else avoid getting scammed.